I'm sure that your pub already has a presence on Facebook, but is it set up as well as it could be? Well, I'm going to show you how to ensure that your Facebook page is set up to make a great first impression and to ensure that you've given everyone the right level of access to help you to manage it. Your cover photo is key as it's the first place that people look when they land on your page. This is the big image that shows at the top of your Facebook page. Think mobile first because the majority of people are using Facebook on their phones. Ensure your message is clear and visible, so avoiding text is a good idea. The ideal image size here is 820 by 315 pixels. That's in the notes. For best results, make sure that your image is in JPEG format too. Think about displaying maybe something seasonal, perhaps a picture of the interior or exterior of your pub, or some of your best dishes and drinks. Your profile picture should be your logo. Make sure it stands out in the circle. You also get a blue call to action button on your Facebook page, and you can choose between a range of different options such as learn more, book now, and message. This button can also be send message, which is a great way to open up a dialogue with your customers. So you could ask them to message you about bookings, about any sort of customer service or menu and dietary requirements. You can edit your action button and choose between a wide range of options here. So to add these details, head to your page and look for the edit button over on the right-hand side. Here you can change the cover image, the profile picture, and your action button. Remember, choose something seasonal, whether that's around Christmas, summer, or any specials you've got coming up. And you can upload a photo or select something that you have already used on Facebook before. While you're in this section, you also have access to updating a biography. That's a short description of your Facebook page or your pub. Try and include some keywords that people might be searching for, such as your location and what the key features of your pub are. You can also update your address here and change your category. Your category should be pub. So use the edit button next to these features to make these changes. You can also add your address, your map location, and your opening hours. And all of that can be done in the edit page section. It's really important that this information is accurate so that people can find your pub and also know when you're going to be open. And this information is trusted. So you don't want to set a bad experience off by explaining that you're open when you're actually shut. To summarise, your pub should use an engaging cover photo and profile picture. You should include a call to action button, and you should feature an up-to-date address, contact details, and opening hours.